much melted now on the main roads. Have you driven in snow yet? No.
This morning when I first noticed it, I've driven when it was snowing.
Yeah.
There was any on the ground.
For you here so you warm up a bit before we go. We even got like a seat warmer here if you want. Want that? Okay. So this car here, this is my regular vehicle. So it's a little bit different. I think you drove this one, eh? When you first started?
Yeah.
Okay. Right on. So it's your last hour.
Yep.
At least you get a little bit of experience in the snow.
Yeah, because
Last hour.
when I do my test, I'm gonna be in the snow. So
Right,
no
right.
choice but to. I like to go, even though I like to go as high.
Yeah, absolutely. So that way then your eye level is like about halfway up the windshield.
Yeah.
There we go. Is that good?
Alright.
Turn that down a bit.
So we're gonna go straight.
Yeah, we'll make a right turn on to the road there.
It's the electronic parking brake.
That's right. Off we go. So today's is just a final assessment. Basically, I just watch you drive and assess how you drive
Yeah.
on your own, basically, without my help.
This is turning north.
Got the steel studded tires on, so might be a little noisier in here.
Yeah, the braking on this is much smoother than my dad's truck. It's like the moment I step on the brakes, it just feels like I'm in a jerk. Like
Is that
even if
right?
I do light, like slowly ease into it, it still jerks quite a bit.
I think it's because it's a heavier vehicle, so you might have to start slowing down a little bit sooner than you normally would with a small car like this here.
So straight.
Yeah. I'm going to test you on your skills today. I'm going to do everything.
I practice a lot of pulling in for parking,
Right on.
but not really that much reversing.
Okay. We'll see how you do. And if you need any like coaching or corrector or anything like that, I'll pipe up, basically.
Okay.
I just want to see how you manage on your own.
So used to my dad's truck, it's accelerates quite a bit.
It's weird, eh? When you get from one vehicle to a different one.
Yeah, because it's like I can barely press on the gas on this. I'll be at like 50.
Yeah.
But on my dad's truck, it's like I had to push quite a bit to get up to 50.
Okay.
Because there's times where I'll just drop down to like 40 without even meaning to.
So it's the weight difference. That's what it is.
My dad's like, is there a reason why you're driving 40? I'm like, no. I thought I was going 50 when I last checked.
It's a little harder to manage a constant rate of speed in a heavier vehicle.
Yeah.
Let's make a right turn at the lights.
The lights.
I find this steering is so much smoother in this car too.
Yeah.
We're gonna go straight and we'll go parallel park with that car there and ahead.
First time driving on like snow-covered road.
Yeah, so you'll notice the brakes may lock up if you stop too late. Basically, you gotta slow it down, start slowing down a little sooner than normal.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's hang. Oh, okay, I guess we'll go around them. We'll go find another car.
Alright.
You messed up my plans there, bud. At the
Hopefully
freeway,
that happens during the test.
they may not even ask you to do the parallel parking, and if you're going in the winter, because it's hard to find cars to do that with. We'll turn right here.
At least I can see the lines.
Yeah, that's kind of odd.
It's like everything's covered except for this.
Oh, there's one right here. We'll use this one. See how you do with the parallel parking.
I'm using my dad's truck.
Yeah.
I think you know.
That's funny. Washing my window.
Yeah, was that full? Wider, but
Yeah. I saw that kid around your school there. I can't believe he's wearing shorts. Jeez, we're gonna make a left turn. A little slower. So you don't want to wind up in that ditch.
typically you try to avoid that.
Yeah. And we'll make a right turn at the stop sign. This is a good time to start slowing down right now.
The slide, I can tell because there's a little bit of the hill.
With the steel studded tires, it reduces the likelihood that you'll start sliding.
I could want to. I still need to get confidence in it.
Exactly. That's right. So yeah, you do take a little bit more cautious. Be a little bit more cautious, because sometimes if you don't have steel studded tires, your car will start spinning a little bit first before it grips something and gets going.
Yeah.
So it takes a little bit longer to go, and so you need a little bit more time. We're gonna make a right turn here.
I remember when I was trying to go to work, and I was trying to make a left turn, and it was like my dad told me to like go now, and I accidentally accelerated a little too quickly.
Yeah.
And tires spun out a bit. Wasn't too bad.
Did it screech?
I didn't even notice, but according to my dad, he felt it.
We're gonna go up to the set of lights, and we'll make a right turn. Yeah. You're getting dropped off at home, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wayne starts here.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Yellow light. Perfect. And yeah, there they go.
Oh yeah, that's right. There's a delay in case somebody goes through the yellow.
Exactly. There's always a little bit of a delay there to allow the traffic to clear. So now that you've stopped, you can crawl out there a little bit so that you're able to see better down the left side here.
Yeah.
Bit of a challenge, eh? See, the light just turned yellow and everyone's slowing down, so it's safe to go.
Yeah. Oh my god. I see what you mean.
Yeah, it's just finding some traction, basically. It's biting into the ground.
It feels so weird.
Yeah.
At least I think it's gonna.
Alright, so let's make a left lane change. And at the lights up ahead, we'll make a left turn.
Yeah, these left lane changes sometimes kind of scare me.
These lanes here, signal mirror over the shoulder before you go in. Perfect. A little slower. Keep your foot on that brake.
My foot kind of fell when I...
Sometimes it'll slip right off the brake in the winter because it gets slippery.
I think that's what happened because I had it over the brake originally, and then I accidentally pushed the gas up.
Something to be aware of. We'll turn left here. And let's do a 3-point turn.
Okay.
Oh, don't scratch my new tires.
Sorry.
Just teasing you.
I thought it was further away than that. Alright, and I was turn this way, but I'm gonna wait for this car.
Okay.
Because I have no idea. Yeah, he's going this way.
Okay. In that case, cancel your signal.
Yeah.
So nobody thinks you're going to pull out in traffic.
Okay, all clear. Yeah, so you start straight, right? Like forward.
You crank it first. Crank it all the way to the left.
Yeah. The other way?
Yeah. And then just scan 360 degrees. And don't forget your left signal.
Oh, whoops.
That's good. You got your 3-point turn down, no problem.
Just need to remember the signal.
Yeah,
after every-
whether you're going forward after every turn, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's make a left here. Oops, you're going over that solid white line. You want to wait a little bit longer before you turn the wheel. Then we're going to park it by the wall up here. Yeah.
So on the uphill.
Yeah, signal mirror. You can use this side mirror to help you not touch the curb.
Yeah.
The little convex
Oh, yeah,
mirror
the little-
really helps you. Look at that, that's awesome. See, it's really helpful, eh?
About here.
Yeah, you're right perfectly in position.
Alright, so it's up, and away.
You got her.
Neutral. Right?
Yeah, but turn your wheels first though,
Turn them
just so you
first.
get into a routine.
Right?
There.
Neutral, and then just. There we go.
Yeah,
Park, and then engage the parking brake.
you got her. Awesome, okay. Let's take off.
So,
Straighten the wheels out first. We're
Straighten
gonna,
the
yeah,
wheel.
we'll get into this. We'll do like 3 steps. So the first step is to straighten your wheels out. The second step is to get your car ready for takeoff. And then,
signal, and then.
yeah, smog, SMOG. Okay, let's make a right turn at the 4-way. Earlier, these back roads were covered in snow.
Yeah, my street when I was walking to the bus stop was pretty.
It was a little bit slippery around the intersections. Like that one there would be a little slippery.
But when I saw the main roads, I'm like, okay, that's good.
Yeah.
At least it's not too near.
I can't wait for deep snow. It's so much fun.
I guess after I get my GQ, I guess I'll do the skid school.
Yeah, it's a good idea. I have never done that myself, so I'm looking forward to that too.
Why not? I mean, I'll get my GQ in January, so it might be close to.
Not sure if they've reopened it though now. After the pandemic, they shut everything down.
I know they were advertising it, but I have no idea if.
Yeah. So I'm not sure. I haven't heard anything, any classes or anything starting. I'm not sure if they have a teacher for that yet.
Yeah.
I know Sharon was thinking about wanting to teach that skid school. That'd be fun to watch her do that, eh? Spinning out and everything around the cones. She's like in her 60s, you know. We're going to make a left turn at the 4.
Left turn.
past this first roadway and we'll park it on the hill up there.
Put the signal after the roadway.
After the roadway, yeah.
Here.
Awesome.
Before I do that, wheels.
Yeah, that's step 1. Is to turn your wheels whichever way you have to.
This here. And step 2. Perfect.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, you got it. And engage parker brake and cancel signal.
I always forget to cancel the signal after.
So did you notice the fire hydrant back here? In the bush?
Oh no.
No?
Tree
Okay.
hidden.
Just keep that in mind for your road test. So you're far enough away from it.
The tree's hiding it, honestly.
I know.
I wouldn't have seen
It's
it.
really bad in the winter when all the leaves are out. I mean, you don't even see it. It's just the stupidest place. But yeah, just be careful when you're selecting a place to pull over. Just keep in mind fire hydrants.
That's a dumb place for a fire hydrant.
You know, doesn't make
Especially
sense.
when there's leaves too.
Yeah.
First,
Yeah.
wheels straight.
Step 1.
Get the car ready.
Step 2.
Signal. Make sure there's no cars. And
And step 3.
highway. Make sure there's no. Very weary of like these hills.
Then we're gonna make a right turn over here.
Right turn over here.
And we'll do a donut. I'm kidding. We'll just go around.
Speaking of donuts, while I was at work, I saw someone do a donut. And it was like, smelled like burnt rubber.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that considered stunt driving?
Yeah, it is now. Absolutely. And a left turn here.